What's up, guys? It's JamJack770 with part 8 of this Mario game tutorial. So far we have coins, fire flowers, ice flowers, you name it. And we are going to be expanding all of this today. So, in Mario, when you hit a Goomba with a fire flower, the Goomba would obviously die. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And we're also going to be doing when you hit the Goomba with Ice Flower, he freezes for a couple seconds. So go to your Goomba first of all, and in the touching player, at the bottom of this we're going to want to do if, and an and we're going to want to do touching the fireball, and we're going to want to drag out an equals. Then we're going to want to drag out the backdrop number string again, and we're going to want to do if costume number of fireball equals 1, and then we're going to want to drag that in here. We would want to stop a description sprite, and now that we have all of this, we are, if we hit him with a fire flower, let's just secretly grab that, and it should stop moving. There. And that is what we want for now. And then we're going to want to go out in our costumes. And you see this Goomba 1, what we have here? We're going to want to duplicate that. And we are going to want to call it Goomba Burn. Because that's the costume he's going to switch to when we shoot him with fire. And we're going to make fire. And I'm just going to... Yes, this is what I want by fire. I'm not using the dragon, people, so I'm just taking his fire. Because I'm horrible at making fire. And I use this boy's fire for almost anything. This is a big boy. And he shoots a lot of fire. There. Copy. Then we're just going to put the fire. Oh no. We're going to put the fire all over the Goomba. Mine's just going to be a bit lazy because I'm making a tutorial and I'm not making a full game. I've got some of that there. Okay. I'm just going to copy and paste this. And we're going to go convert. There. We're just going to do that for now. We're going to want to switch costume to the Goomba. Oh wait, I still want the dragon. We're going to want the Goomba. And then we're going to want to set Y to 10. And then we're going to want to repeat until the Y position is less than, I believe. -180. Yeah, it's less than 180. Change y by y. Then change y. Change the y by -1. And then after that, we're going to want to hide. So, if I've done this correctly, the Goomba should die when we hit him with a fireball now. Okay. There. It works. This doesn't work when he's colliding with the wall, I guess. And now, we're going to make him freeze. So we're going to go in this again. And we're going to do the same exact thing. Except I'm just going to make the Goomba a little frozen here. Yep. And when I say a little frozen, I mean his whole body's going to be blue. Actually, no, that's going to look great. You know what? Undo. Just gonna outline him blue. Let's hold this. Okay. Goomba Frozen, we're gonna name it. And then we're gonna duplicate this whole thing. And we're gonna switch costume to, and let's start. And in the start enemy, we are not going to want to do this. We're going to take out the go to X and Y thing. And that is going to be, we're going to make a new message called position. Then we're going to go into the player now. And into the reset player stuff. And we're going to want to broadcast position. There. And now we're going to go back into our enemy, and we're going to want to switch costume to the Goomba Frozen. We're going to stop the other description sprites. We're going to wait 5 seconds. And then broadcast start enemy. Oh, wait, no. There. And now when we shoot him with the ice. 3, 4, 5. There. It works, and then we could maybe. No, we can't stop on him. Actually, I'm just gonna adjust this Goomba after this video and make him look way better. Because in Mario we get trapped in ice box. And yeah. So that's it for this tutorial, guys, and I'll see you in part 9. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And yeah, see you in part 9. Bye.